today just to have a look at the stands and see if there's any organisation out there that we can actually work with and find out information. We've spoken to a few accountancy firms that are looking to take on apprentices, so that's quite informative. So we're hoping that we might be able to work with them. So it's been quite good thus far, meeting different people. People are so friendly here as well, and they want to engage with you as well. If you go and talk to them, they're so willing to give you information. So yes, it's been really good.
Came here today for some business inspiration, because we are really interactive and always looking for new ideas, and of course for some business solutions in different fields. I think it's amazing, great idea to do events like this for businesses, to put all the companies together. Yes, I would love to come again.
I'm here every year, actually. I've been here for the last 5 years. Since I started my own business and since I've started working with Just Eat. I think it's different this year because I've got a target this year. Year before I was trying to start a business. Now we're on a platform, we are moving forward. There are certain things that we have done before, so we know where to go, who to talk to. And it's been lovely. There's always stuff to learn. So I've taken it on board and it's been really brilliant. It's been brilliant. I've learned a lot, I've gained a lot of knowledge, I've taken a lot of information. I'll be here tomorrow, next year again.
It's really inspiring, and there's a lot of independent business owners like me, and I think it's really good to see how they got to where they are now and the steps that I can put in place to get to where they are as well. I will say the business show is very inspirational and informative. I think there's some things here that I didn't even think about when starting my own business, so if you are a new business owner, then definitely come around to a show like this, because there's some things that you don't even think about that you may need or that may benefit you in a really good way.